Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling culinary adventure as we explore the world of Thai street food. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and immerse yourself in the incredible flavors of Thailand. First up, let's talk about some essential tips and tricks for choosing Thai street food, especially if it's your first time. We understand that some of you may have limitations in your food choices or specific dietary requirements. Thai cuisine offers a wide range of flavors, from sweet to sour and spicy. If you prefer milder flavors, you can request less spice or ask for my ped, not spicy, when ordering. Similarly, if you're not a fan of sourness, you can mention my som, not sour. For those who don't consume pork or lard, it's important to be mindful of the ingredients used. Some dishes may contain pork, such as mu ping or pad thai with pork. Don't worry, though. There are plenty of other options to explore. Now, let's move on to a fantastic option for our vegan and vegetarian friends. Thailand has a thriving vegetarian and vegan food scene, especially in cities like Bangkok. If you're looking for vegetarian or vegan food, Bangkok has some fantastic restaurants to satisfy your cravings. Let me recommend a few popular options for you. Mae Khai Di, located in the heart of Bangkok, Mae Khai Di offers a wide range of vegan Thai dishes, from curries to stir-fries. The restaurant has a cozy atmosphere and is known for its fresh ingredients. Bear Food Bangkok, this trendy vegetarian restaurant focuses on healthy, plant-based cuisine. Their menu features creative and delicious dishes made with locally sourced ingredients. Culinary, if you have a sweet tooth, Culinary is a must-visit. This vegan bakery and cafe serves delectable desserts like vegan cheesecakes and pastries that will leave you craving for more. Whether you're a meat lover, a vegetarian, or a vegan, Thai street food has something for everyone. And the best part is, it's incredibly affordable. You can enjoy a satisfying meal without breaking the bank. That concludes our culinary adventure through Thai street food. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel experiences, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy eating!